Wait, no, I got it. Ready?
Look at Daddy.
Whoop, partay. There's Henry. That's a perfect Sphinx head. You get him. Get him, partay.
Why do they have a wife again?
Partay, Partay. He's so cute.
Ah.
Chewing grass.
Yeah, well, that doggies eat grass. Look at his dog.
Yucky! Don't
He says,
eat
you guys got
snails.
sausages, I got grass for breakfast.
It's pretty.
Don't they got dog food? It's not good for me. Yeah, here.
What?
Yeah.
Well,
Look at, he loves his little yard. Look at this nice yard Partay has.
He might have eaten a snail. Oh, here comes some.
here he comes. Whoa! Oh!
Look at him.
He says, I give up. I give up. Whoa!
Aw.
Biting my foot.
Well, he
Yeah.
wants to eat you.
He's not
I just don't want him to hit his head. Is he going to be okay?